Rich. We're at the Great State Fair of Oklahoma, and we're at the parking lot right now, and just found a signal here. I'm going to try to see what we found and maybe dig that up. So let's see what we have. Sound like about a quarter to me. Spot. There it is. Little quarter. There it popped out right here. Little quarter. Looks like it's a very modern quarter. So here we are, fall of the year. I mean, this is great metal detecting weather. It's about 68 degrees. A southerly wind. Of course, Oklahoma has a lot of southerly winds from the Gulf. But just to find quarters like this, and look how much area I have to cover here. So it's going to be a fun afternoon. Okay, I don't know if you can see it or not. The Knox said 25, and sure enough, it's a little Rosie or Roosevelt dime. But it was about maybe 2 inches deep, at that much. Well, it was 13, and a lot of times that is a nickel. Not sure about this time, because there's some 12s in there too. Well, I don't know, but I think that's the nickel right there. Sure enough, must have scratched it. It looks like an old one. Don't have the bifocals on, can't see it. There it popped up. Did you see that? Right here. Nice quarter. A modern quarter, but wonderful. Well, I just dug a quarter up here, and the Knox says there's something over here. Ah, you see it uncovered? Right there she is. Another modern day quarter. I think I see it right there. Just sort of fell down. Yep, there's the quarter. And I think that's another modern quarter. Well, look here, just laying on top of the ground. It's a little dime. Didn't have to dig. That's what makes it nice. So it makes me wonder if anyone came out here with a metal detector. Look at there. There it is, another Roosevelt. It was about a 23. If you look right in here is a penny. Wow, I found this earring. Not sure, it looked like it was about 23 or 24. I don't see any numbers, but anyway, pretty. I think that's the first time I ever found a big earring like this. Well, here we are. The sun's about to go down. We had a lot of fun going over the places. Found some neat coins and that big earring. So hopefully it's cooler weather. We'll be putting more videos on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel, and thanks so much for watching.